plugin gives you auto-rotating advertising and other features in various places in your WordPress site. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is go to a CPA site or any other affiliate site and get a banner code. So I'll just choose this date.com one here. Get banner. I'll choose this one because I'm going to put it at the top. So you copy that and then you just paste it in here, and what this is just a comma separated list. You see the commas there and there of 3 different banner codes, and this means that the plugin will choose a random banner from this comma separated list each time the page loads. So I'll save these changes and then we'll refresh the page, and you can see it's choosing the banner, the dating banner that we've just picked. Refresh it again and it's picked another random one. So with this list I have 3 different comma separated banners, meaning that one of those banners will be displayed at the top each time. But I can also display multiple banners at the same time by simply removing the comma separation. So here I've got 2 banner codes with no comma, and if I save those changes and then refresh, you can see it's displayed 2 at the same time. You can also combine comma separation with non-comma separation. This is telling the plugin to make a decision to display either 2 banners or display 1 banner each time the page loads. So if we just refresh the page, it's displayed 2 that time and it's displayed 1 that time. So this is a very effective way of split testing your advertising. You may have also noticed that down here the plugin also gives you an option to widgetize your advertising. So this works in exactly the same way as up here, except that it's in a WordPress widget, so you can include it anywhere on your site that allows widgets. So that'll just be dependent on your theme, and that's just, again, it works in exactly the same way as this. So this is just a comma separated list here of 2 different banner codes, and when we refresh the page it'll make a random selection from one of those 2 codes. So not only does your advertising rotate, but you also get advanced targeting options included with the plugin, and this means that you can target your advertising at site, category and post levels. Now I'll show you what I mean. So I've just navigated to the categories section in WordPress, and I've set up a new category here called insurance, and you'll notice that there's been 3 new boxes added here to the category page, and in these boxes you can specify specific advertising for this category. So that means that all posts or pages within this insurance category can have specific insurance related advertising. So this works just like I showed you before, just like the main page with comma separated lists, and I'll just grab a couple of different insurance offers here. Let's grab this one. Comma separate, and that one. Grab that one. So update this page and go back to the main page. And so this is the home page, and you can see it's got the dating advertising that we put in before. It's chosen that one. But if we click on the insurance category, we get all the posts that are within the insurance category, and you'll see it has chosen one of those banners that we just chose before. Let's just refresh the page, and we can see there, it's after refreshing, it's picked the other one. Now, if I go to click on a post within this category, you can see again it's used the insurance advertising that we specified in the insurance category here. But I can take this even further, and I can actually specify advertising specifically to one post. So if we go to this housing insurance post, see here, it's been assigned to the insurance category, but say I want to make, I don't know, we'll grab some real estate advertising for Max Bounty. So real estate. Just grab one of these. Just grab that one there. And back at the insurance, housing insurance post, we'll put this real estate related advertising in here. And as I said before, these are just work exactly the same as the boxes I've shown you at the category and site levels. So I could comma separate several different banners here, and the random one would be picked each time, but for now I'll just put the one in, update it, and you'll see that when we refresh the page, for this specific post we have specified some unique advertising. If we were to delete this, it would default back to its category advertising. There's the insurance. And then if we were to go back to the categories, insurance, then delete that, update here, it would then default back to the site advertising because it hasn't got a category one set. And if we refresh, there we have it. So now, so far, I've just been concentrating on banner ads from the CPA sites, but in these boxes here you can actually put anything you want, any HTML code. You could put scripts, you could put images, you could just put plain text. So if I go to my Aweber site, so you could just grab an opt-in box code here. I'm just using my one from Aweber, and then stick it in there. So instead of banner advertising appearing in my side widget, I just click on the home page. You can see I've got my opt-in box appearing there, and of course this can be comma separated, so you could put multiple different forms in there and then just split test them to find out which one gets you the most subscriptions. You can also stick AdSense code in here, or any other type of script you want, and there's the AdSense code appearing. You could even put just plain text in, so testing. So that's appeared up there, but and remember this can all be split test, so if you know HTML code you might want to test out different links, so you know, type in a few different link to somewhere, and then just see which anchor text is the most effective, you know, see which gets the most click-through. You can use this so many different ways, and if you want to, instead of using these pre-generated banners and these banner codes, with the OTO Pro upgrade, I'll include a little tool within the plugin that will let you generate easily your own banners, so you can use your own images going to your own URLs. One final thing I haven't talked about is this site pop unders, and you'll have probably noticed this also in the categories. So if we look back at our insurance category again, category pop under URLs, and within the individual posts. If we go back to this one, see, post pop under URLs, and basically this allows you to set pop unders to occur at a specified frequency for users visiting your site. So I'll just show you how that works. I'll just do it across the whole site to show you, but as with the widget and the top banners, you know, these can be targeted at category and post levels. So you just, in this instance, you just grab the URL, so you'll get the tracking code here, yeah. Grab this URL and stick it in there, and once again it's a comma separated list, so you can have as many different pop under URLs as you want to split test them. In this case we'll just stick with the one, save it. I'll stick, and this frequency is how often you want these pop unders to happen for your visitors, so you might just want them to happen every, I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours, you know, so you don't annoy your visitors too much. I'll just leave this at 1 hour, save it, and refresh the page. So now when I click somewhere on the page, you can see a pop under has just happened, and that is our pop under to the link specified there. So hopefully you can see that this is very flexible, easy to use software, and I'm sure you guys will be thinking of different things you can use this on that I haven't even showed you yet. So just have fun with it.